Assalamualaikum. My name is Dato' Adavia binti Muhammad Idrus. I study at Polytechnic Sultan Idrisha. I want to compare pencil and mechanical pencil. Okay. Primary functions to be used writing. Secondary function we use to sketching, drawing, and general everyday use. Pencil made from woods, cheaper than mechanical pencil, have many brands. For example, Stabilo, Faber-Castell, and other brands. Small company around or something regular instructions. Mechanical pencil lasts longer, more than pencil. Made from plastic, small, have many color or brands, and triangular shape. Between pencil and mechanical pencil, I will choose mechanical pencil because mechanical pencil are better than pencil, and mechanical pencil is last longer than pencil. Thank you.